In our last video, we talked about how AI can generate a surprising amount of code. And it can, but that's led to a new trend in the industry. People call it vibe coding. You describe what you want, AI produces something that looks right, and everyone hopes it works. Sometimes it does, but sometimes the risks are hiding just beneath the surface. And we're going to talk about that in today's version of 2 Minutes on Tech, brought to you by Art+Logic. When you create software mostly through prompts, it can feel fast and effortless. But code that looks correct isn't the same as code that's safe, maintainable, or reliable. Without experienced engineers involved, it's easy to miss hidden security issues, performance bottlenecks, fragile integrations, and assumptions that break in real-world conditions. And those problems rarely show up right away. Here's the thing, AI models generate patterns they've seen before, so they don't fully understand your system. They don't know the history of your architecture, and they definitely don't know the operational constraints of your business. And here's something critical, they also don't know the strange edge cases that show up after years of real-world use. That's especially true with legacy systems. Yep. AI can analyze the old code, but updating decades-old systems properly requires understanding how thousands of moving parts interact. Change the wrong piece, and something critical breaks somewhere else. Great engineers don't just write code, they ask better questions. They recognize hidden dependencies. They anticipate failure modes. They design systems that can evolve over time. They talk with you. AI can help accelerate their work, but experience is what keeps the acceleration from turning into absolute chaos. The future of software isn't vibe coding, it's experienced engineers working alongside powerful AI tools. At Art+Logic, we combine decades of engineering insight with modern AI capabilities to create systems that you don't just run today, but also hold up in the long term. Because in the end, great software isn't just generated, it's engineered. This has been 2 Minutes on Tech, brought to you by Art+Logic.